Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Our recipe today is a stuffed eggplant recipe. It's stuffed with ground beef and onions, and it melts in your mouth when you're eating it. It's called منزلة باسود. Let's get started. Here I have 10 baby eggplants, and I'm going to show you how we're going to peel them. We're going to cut the stem off first, and then I'm going to peel one side and leave the other side unpeeled. So it's going to be kind of like a stripe. Now it's your preference. If you want to keep the peel on, you can. If you want to peel the whole thing off, you can also. I like to do half and half, just like this. Now we're going to fry the eggplants to golden perfection. Heat up your oil and fry these until they're golden brown. Over medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now we're going to saute 1 cup or 1 medium-sized diced onion. We're going to saute this until it is a golden color. Then add half a teaspoon of salt. When your onion is golden color, add 1 pound of ground beef, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of allspice. When your ground beef is browned up and cooked, get a baking dish. I'm going to cook this dish over the stovetop. You can definitely cook it in the oven. I'm going to stuff my eggplants. I did a little slit in the eggplant. Be careful, do not rip it. And then stuff your eggplants with the ground beef and onions that we just sauteed. And I'm going to do that over and over until all my eggplants are stuffed. After your eggplants are stuffed, now this is optional, I'm going to add tomato slices between each eggplant and some jalapeno slices to give it some spice. If you have any leftover ground beef, go ahead and just add it to the top, just like this. I have here 2 cups of water. I added 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of allspice. I mixed it up, and now I'm adding the broth over the eggplant where it reaches halfway in the pan. Now cover it with some aluminum foil and put it on your stovetop over medium heat for about 30 minutes to an hour. Uncover it about 10 minutes before it's ready. You want the tomatoes and the jalapeno to be nice and tender, and your dish is ready to serve. Enjoy this with pita bread and a side of pickles.